What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is day 2 of our time here in Marmaris, and after a long night of long conversation, food, walking, editing, posting on Instagram and social media, I slept for 4 hours. Today we're going on a Jeep safari. You know, this vlogging thing is becoming a bit hard. It's very difficult when you're tired, so don't mind me, but the fun's about to begin. What's going on, guys? So we just came out of a very feisty water fight and it was fun, but like, yo, it's fair training for some reason, isn't it? Huh?
We're gonna pay him one go.
It's a bit wet.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. And now we're just like waiting for some barbecue.
We're gonna have some chicken,
some rice.
some chips. I don't think there's rice. It's just bread and chicken.
Oh, is it? That's the best one. There's a beach called Jesus Beach, and that's pretty self-explanatory. Some HD guy, man. Very HD. Three, two, one. Hello. Hi there. Assalamu alaikum. Evet. So guys, we're here vibing. View is really nice. We've got our feet in the water. I'm only allowed to show you that. Very nice.
We keep it halal.
I keep it halal. We keep it halal. Because we're the halal boys. Subhanallah. Beautiful, beautiful. What's going on, guys? So we're just back from the excursions. Bit tiring, even though most of the time we were in the car, but that water fight really had me exhausted personally. So we're just freshening up now, having our showers, catching a bite, and then we're just gonna go for a little walk around as well, see if we can do some shopping. But before we do, I need to shout out Anaka for this amazing thobe. Gonna do a quick shoot. Alright guys, so we've just done a little bit of a shoot with the Anaka thobe, as y'all can see. Very nice. So I forgot to record the shoot because we were using this camera, but I'll show you guys some pictures right now. Let me know what you think. But these thobes are like the best Moroccan thobes that I've come across. Consistent quality, consistent colorway, decently priced as well, and you know, all around good. So if you want any of these, Anaka is the place to go. So inshallah, here are some pictures. Enjoy. Right guys, so we are on our way to find some food. You know what it is about this vlog, yeah? You know, usually, yeah, we showcase everything. Yeah. But because we're not allowed our phones and stuff on some of these trips, it's like we can't really show the fun. But we've had a lot of fun. Do you get it?
We've had plenty of it. Basically, we've had a lot of fun, but we haven't been able to document it.
We haven't been able to document it because of safety reasons, making sure equipment don't get damaged. But we've got snips and bits, so we hope you guys like that. But you know, Nahian's face should be enough for you to watch this video, you know?
Thank you. So our lamb chop is really very good. Chicken.
Oh. Yes, please.
Why is there such little mix?
Thank you. That's just every single one.
Everything's okay? This is the L restaurant, I already know.
L restaurant? We haven't even tried the food yet.
Yeah, but the portions. Wait.
Yeah, that's more salad than anything.
No, but the thing is, we looked at that dodgy doner shop thinking, oh yeah, we don't want doner. We go to a restaurant and get doner.
We should have gone to that one there, bro.
So guys, we just had the food. Alhamdulillah, it was... It was meh. That's it.
Yeah.
Unlike yesterday where we paid less and had more, I feel.
Today we had very
Today
little.
we had more. We had little, but we paid
Spent
more.
Yeah,
The way the world works, eh? Wait, that's your cat from yesterday.
going around looking for food.
It's going around looking for you, boy. Alright, guys. We're gonna go for some shopping and make some arrangements for tomorrow. Alright, what's this? Let me see. Mussels with rice, bro. Go on. Go on. Yalla.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Very nice. It's delicious. One more.
It's actually quite
No,
nice.
no.
You can hear.
Now here, let's get your reaction.
Bismillah.
It's delicious.
You gon' puke?
It's okay. Not bad.
Imtiaz.
Thank you.
Oh.
It hasn't got any fishy taste or anything like that.
Sorry. Let's go and try. Very nice.
You don't like it?
Alright, Imtiaz. Imtiaz, big man.
You're just looking like Pablo Escobar, you know?
Wait, what am I aiming for?
Any of those things.
Wait, where's the bullet?
Might go for this.
I'm gonna aim for the bottom row. Oh shit, wait.
Alright.
Bottom right. Top row, left. Yeah, how much you get?
6.
Six.
What do you get?
I got 4. Oh wait, you should have done it on a fresh thing. Oh wait, it doesn't matter. I've got 5.
Alright. What did you eat?
Jeez. I got 4. He got 9.
How much you get? 13.
I got 9. No, 9.
9.
But 4,000, right? He's being humble. But on Instagram, I'm more. 10,000. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Do I look at this lens or do I look at the... It's hard looking at this. So, we are at a Baklava restaurant. But we finished the Baklava. Bilal has gone. Me and Ibi are here. Nahyan is in this shop as well. Enjoying the vibes. What's the plan for tomorrow?
You're the one organizing it.
I am the one organising it. Plan for tomorrow is we have a boat trip. That should be fun. And then we're going to go to a Turkish bath, get a little scrub. Whoa! Yeah. But don't include that in the vlog, bro. That's haram and that.
Haram, bro. Baby sponsor, yeah. Yeah.
That's
What are you drinking, bro?
Surprisingly, the food is actually decent in Marmaris. Trying to cop some fake stuff. You know, let me do it in the next clip so he sees it. So let me tell you a secret, yeah. This is to Bilal's followers. He actually has fake drip. All this. The only reason we came to Turkey is so he can buy a fake drip. But so don't
If
tell
you see
it.
Bilal with any of his like
all
designer,
fake.
it's all fake.
Oh, I like. Let me show the vlog. This is Nahyan. What do you guys think? Well, you he'd buy it already. I like it. It's nice. I like it. Yeah. Nahyan doing a bit of haggling and that. But that's not really fake drip, I think. Do you know what? Nahyan wears fake drip, bros. Do you know what? We all do fake drip. Yeah, Ibi don't do fake drip, but he just likes baklava. But yeah, do you know what? We'll see you next time. I need to find Bilal though, because he is missing, bro.
Alright, guys. So we got a Oreo milkshake, pina colada. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to a beach, a boat trip, and our boat's gonna take us to a beach. Yeah, it's just a chill day today. Just gonna vibe, chill out, catch some sun, take some photos, and that's it really, isn't it? And then in the evening we have some sort of a plan, but we'll see.
It's vibes, isn't it?
Vibes today. So we're here. We're going on a boat, and we're gonna go to a beach called the Cleopatra Beach.
Cleopatra Beach.
And we're just gonna
Do nothing, bro.
do nothing today.
For once.
Because I was just telling Nahyan, like, I feel weak today. We'll feel a bit fatigued because I don't know, the sun, activities,
Busy couple of
busy couple of days,
days.
so, and then lack of sleep as well in some cases.
See you guys.
Okay. Serious.
Yıllar dileyelim. Ben Çınar. Bugün turumuzda sizlere ben yalnızca olmaya çalıştım.
What's a beautiful sight?
Teknemiz hakkında ve turumuz hakkında kısa bilgiler vereyim isterseniz sizlere.
Вы заказали.
Okay. Right, pose for me. Yeah, pose. Of course. Yeah. It's a video, by the way. The maddest thing is, yeah, beyond this point, it's not accessible.
Chilling, getting a tan.
Yeah.
Have a tan.
Gee. Too late for that.
We're vibing with those skis. Maybe nowhere to be seen. Nahyan is there. Hi Nahyan.
Hello.
What's going on, guys? So we've just freshened up from yard. Now we're gonna go for a Turkish bath called hammam. And yeah, vibe, eat, chill, do some shopping for the family, and that's that. Today was quite chill. We didn't do much in terms of activities. We're just vibing on the beach and on the boat, as you've seen. And yeah, man, we'll take you with us to the baths anyway. Alright guys, so this is the bath, but check this out, yeah. It has a very like churchy effect, you know? Like, let me do Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. See that? MashaAllah. Nice. How was that, lads?
Oh, that was. I'm a new man.
Yeah, I'm a new man, Nahyan. How you feeling?
I don't know how to feel, bro.
We get touched up by man.
My ass got slapped like 77 times, bro. No, Ibi as well.
No, yeah. Big boom in there, so come on, the thick boys.
Oh, that
Tick!
guy was just fruit.
Oh, that, yeah, it was fruity. We look silly, but
My man pulled me too close to him.
tea, standard.
It might be very strong.
I thought I was a Coca-Cola nitty.
Feel a bit cool.
Coca-Cola. So lads, how'd you feel, man?
Amazing.
Yeah? You feel it reborn? Jeez. Sushi, yeah?
I'm ready.
That's the good food. Thank you.
What's going on, guys? Ride.
Yo!
What's up? Done a little bit of shopping, yeah. But if you're coming here to buy fakes, yeah, shoes I would not recommend. The shoe fakes here are not that good, but the t-shirts, coats, jackets, bags, they're good. But the more expensive they are, the better they are. Watches as well. So if you are looking to buy fakes, if that's something that you do, then I wouldn't recommend the shoes here. What's going on, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Today's the last day here in Marmaris. But we're so tired, why? The amount of haggling these men have to do to get a price down. They're haggling, like it's draining. Look at my eyes. What are you saying, Ibi? Too much haggling. Oh. Okay. If you watch the Madeira vlog, you know that this guy said that if there's any marriage CVs for me, to send them to him.
Bro, I've not received any.
So why hasn't he? I'm sure. Nah, but
Alright,
they're for you, though, man.
What one? My guy is very good looking.
No. I am, but no.
He's focusing on the team.
No,
one else. Come on, bro.
No, but he wants marriage CVs, so for him, not for me. So send him through, man.
Nah, bro.
Guys, he wants to get married. Alright, guys. So today is go-karting and jet skiing. We're en route right now to the go-karting place. I hope you can record it, but just know I'ma smoke these, man. Yeah, I'ma smoke you, man. You think you lot stand a chance against me? You think you stand a chance against me? I'd say Nahyan stands a chance against me, but you guys. I'm joking. Oh, am I? Guys, I won. I'm joking. I came last. He came first, second, third, fourth. You know what they say, innit? I still held the trophy, so I technically won. Didn't though. Alright, man. It's because mine was slow. I'm joking. Congratulations, Nahyan. Lapped me twice. Yo. That's looking a bit fishy. Guys, let me just give you a little scenario of what would happen when you look for when you try bargain with the people. So you're gonna buy something off me.
Brother, how much is this bag?
Brother, for you, I do £30.
Bro, real is £40, it's fake.
Brother, but this is same quality as fake. But look, there's speech there. Look, 25. Best deal price, £25. You take
£10, I take it.
It's this, brother. It's A1, 1-to-1, brother. Brother, £25. You do good deal. You search anywhere, best quality, and you don't find this nowhere. If you find it elsewhere, I give you my whole shop for free. Wallahi, I'm Muslim. I tell you the truth. This is real.
I can't do it. Sorry, brother.
Brother, wait, brother. £20.
£10.
Brother, 15 we do deal.
£10.
15 we do deal.
£10.
Because I don't make money, I make 2p. Brother, not big. Brother.
No, brother. I'm the owner of this shop. I know.
Brother,
you don't know.
Okay, how much? You did £10.
It's too low. Brother, 15.
I went to the shop. I found £10.
Brother, 15 we do for you. Brother, 15, £5. What's £5?
15 is good price.
England, you rich man. You make good money in
We're
England.
poor. 15 is good
No,
price.
you're not poor. I see
Hey,
like.
I'm the owner.
£11.
15 is good price.
£12.
You have very nice eyes, brother. What's your name, brother?
Imtiaz.
Brother, Muslim.
My brother come in, my best friend come, my family come. They buy things from me. They know good quality. They know other shops.
Look, your name is the champion. Because we are champion of Turkey.
£15.
£15? Deal?
Deal.
Make it 20.
That's amazing.
And that is what you can expect here in the Turkland.
Except it takes about an hour.
An hour to bargain, bro. Alright guys, so we're going to do some jet skiing now. We're not allowed 4 at one go. So we're just gonna get a speedboat for an hour instead, which seems alright. 15 minutes each person. Yeah? Nahian, El Capitan, puedo comenzar.
Always, brother.
Yeah? So guys, as you can see, we're driving a speedboat. It's harder than it looks, it's not like a car.
Marmaris Island, Paradise Island.
Paradise Island, yeah?
Kaptan Mehmet. Turkish Kaptan Mehmet. Me teacher. Yeah, you.
You got Nahyan there, chilling. My man. What's your name, brother?
It's Paradise Island.
Oh,
Your name.
Mehmet.
Mehmet. Captain Mehmet.
Captain.
Yes?
Kaptan Mehmet.
Captain Bilal.
Co-captain.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the Marmaris vlog. Not much that we could have vlogged because most of them were like water activities. We didn't want to get our equipment wet. But we hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and comment what you think on the video. And subscribe if you are new to the channel. If you actually click the button, there's like a nice bling noise and it sounds really nice. So click the subscribe button and the bell button as well. The bell button's quite a nice sound as well. But guys, I hope you enjoyed. And inshallah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go. Ibi, Nahian, Imtiaz. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum guys. What's going on guys? So, our flight actually got delayed by, overnight?
Yeah.
So we're staying here another night.
And we don't know where we're staying.
And we don't even know where we're staying.
We don't know when we're going.
We don't know when, where, how, what. But if this video's out, we got home. Guys, we made it back. We're in the UK. Alhamdulillah. See you in the next video.